so beautiful, even when you're not.
That's gonna be either the start or the end of the video.
This could be the start of something new. Did it have the right energy?
It was pretty fabulous.
Like not even like energy. Hey guys, it's Feyer and Eyece. Yeah, that says Feyer and Eyece.
right there on the box.
That's us. Okay. Hey.
In today's video, I thought it would be fun for us to do a Feyer and Eyece makeup challenge because we are indeed Feyer and Eyece. So bronzers.
Oh, we're actually.
Okay, I think yeah, that was good. We have 2 bronzers. We have 4 different loose shadow, like glitters. We have 2 eyeshadow palettes, 4 lipsticks, and 2 highlighters.
That's really cute.
Yeah. What we decided, which also I just noticed on the packaging, it shows right on the front that it's cruelty free. So if that's something that's important to you guys, check out.
Save the mermaids, bro. Save the mermaids. Save the mermaids.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have this right down the middle. She's gonna have the fire side, I'm gonna have the ice side, and we're gonna do a challenge. Now, as you can see, my side has 2 highlighters, her side has 2 bronzers.
That creates a problem.
So we decided that we would have 2 lifelines, technically, that we can do.
I like how we're calling them lifelines. It implies that we're dying.
Yeah,
Because we're dramatic.
I can't do my bronzer.
Tina!
1 chance to use each other's
One
product.
opportunity to seize everything we ever wanted.
Oh.
Can't forget it. Mom's spaghetti.
We're gonna have 2 chances to use other products. One of the chances is gonna be to use one of each other's.
And then the other is gonna just to be used, like, just to be
Justin Bieber used?
just to be used. I'm choosing to use something from my own makeup, and she gets to choose something from her own makeup.
So
the solo moment.
okay, so we are going to start the challenge. But I split our brushes in half so we each have a fair amount of brushes.
Yeah.
And we already did our foundation just so we didn't have to do that on camera. My problem is the first step that you do usually after foundation is bronzer.
So she's gonna use it.
So I'm gonna use my lifeline, my first lifeline. I'm gonna use this one because this
really?
one's more warm.
Okay,
tone.
because I'm gonna use this one.
Yeah.
That's cool. We can do that at the same time.
So
It's like, okay, so I really like this product. That's a dragon.
yeah.
That's so cool.
Which I'm honestly surprised that they didn't have like Nikita Dragon. Like,
That's a
sponsor
dragon. That's
this.
so cute.
Because bronzer, I thought it was gonna be a lot darker. Oh, it's not too. It's not too dark. So,
I think I just whistled.
no, you didn't.
I totally whistled.
Don't lie.
Okay, so you
Try it again.
No, you're being
No,
so
try it
mean
again.
about it. Why would I feel comfortable enough to try
I
it
want
again?
to hear it.
It's too late.
It's-
You already made it an unsafe
Because I thought I
environment.
almost heard it.
You almost heard it, but you still didn't believe
I
me.
believed. I
Doubted?
I had to hear you say it again. Bronzer. Check. So now.
Bronzer change.
No.
You did though.
Stop. Now I'm gonna go into my highlighters.
How are you gonna get in there?
No. Okay. I'm gonna use the bluer one because that's my color scheme.
Cause I'm blue. Baboo-dee, baboo-die, baboo-dee,
And this
baboo-die.
design on these are really pretty. It's like almost like a snowflake. Pretty. Doesn't even look real. Look like an anime character or something.
You're feeling yourself.
I really am. I'm gonna go like full glam. Like Ice Queen realness.
I'm gonna go soft, like beachy.
Well, that's going to be an interesting contrast. Easy. I don't want to blend this out too much though, because I still want that like alien winter princess look.
Winter alien princess.
I'm feeling this fantasy. You still bronzing?
Yeah.
I'm almost done with my eyeliner.
Well, I don't have highlight.
Well, you do have a lifeline. Are you gonna use it?
We'll see.
Okay, so I
But yeah.
think. Which one do you
I
want?
need it.
The lighter one, the white,
Because blue wouldn't really work.
I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow, and I think I'm actually gonna use one of these loose pigments.
Yeah, actually, I don't know why I'm doing this second. I never do that. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow first.
Okay. Pigment the house. Oh yeah, tea. Here's some tea. I got this makeup last year.
Why would you tell them that?
I never said when last year. It's January,
So
it could have been like December. It wasn't December.
No!
Okay, so this color is kind of blushy. It's like a really light.
Do it, bitch.
Blend, 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 blend your sorrows away.
It ain't working.
I mean, this part was really pigmented.
I really like this gold.
Yeah. In the palette?
Yeah, it's pretty. I love gold!
I need to blend this out because it is looking crazy right now.
You look like Black Swan.
So I'm gonna use this blue shadow glitter pigment that came in the box, and I'm gonna line my bottom lash with it. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in to my lips. For my base, I'm gonna do two different colors, but I'm gonna start with this blue color that comes in the kit. But who doesn't love an opportunity to use a blue lip?
Fair. I'm using my lifeline because I really want to use this. It's the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson lips. Or is it just Jeffree? Or
It's Jeffree Star's thirsty palette collection.
okay, well it's called Coral Fixation, and this is what I'm using.
Oh god, I love that blue. It's so pretty.
Yeah, this actually doesn't look bad.
But now I'm going to use my second lifeline, and I am going to top this lip with the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collab lipstick, or lip gloss, that is the actual shade Shane Dawson. This is the first, well, Shane. It's the first one that they made, so I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna put it in the middle of the lip. It smells like root beer.
I don't like root beer, bro. But is it like, can I smell it? Is that weird? Oh my gosh, that's like A&W, definitely.
But yeah, this is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had a lot of fun doing this. It's been long
A process. Yeah, it's been a process.
I think it was
A
fun.
slow one.
We haven't really done anything like this before
I don't
for
think
a
so.
video, so
Yeah.
if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up.
Even if you didn't enjoy it, if you could leave a thumbs up, that would help me.
If you'd like to see more content like this video, make sure to let us know in the comments what your favorite part was. If
There's
you have
anything we could do differently.
If you have any challenges you'd like to see us do next. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that
Do it.
notification
Do
bell to see our videos.
Do it! Like Shia LaBeouf, just do it!
Thank you guys so much for watching our video. We really had a lot of fun doing this, and we can't wait to see what you guys thought and what you guys would like to see us do next. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Hey.
lift the box. What am I doing? What?
Hey guys, it's, and then you point at the box.
Hey guys!
No, not right when I'm finishing talking. I have to edit this, Alicia.
Okay! Go!
3, 2, 1.
Hey guys!
You're supposed to say it's and then point at the box.
Okay. So, no.
Fire and Eyece and we don't like to play nice.
See, this is us continuing this video. Yeet!
Okay, I think that's it. Please.
Bye! Have a beautiful time!
Your panties, company Fernandez. Oh.